Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jaison and today in this video I would like to share with you something that could change your mind regarding make money online. Have you ever wondered if those get paid two sites pay out real rewards? What if I tell you I just earned over $800 in Litecoin from Timebucks? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, before I actually proceed to show you my payment proof, let me talk about what Timebucks is. Timebucks, if you do not already know, is an earning platform that pays out real cash for doing daily activities like answering to surveys, watching videos, installing apps, playing games, and many more. And one of the key features of Timebucks is the fact that it is 100% free, which basically means you can start earning in Timebucks right now, right away. Another key aspect of Timebucks is the number of payout options it offers. And not just that, the minimum withdrawal over here is of just $5. So without wasting any more time, let me get you started to the video.
The very first thing that you need to do is go to the link which I have provided in my video description for Timebucks. Once the Timebucks website has been loaded, you will find two different options, which is of login, and if you are a new user to Timebucks, you can choose sign up. After you click on the sign up, you can sign up using your email address and by setting up a new password. As I am already a registered user, I have simply logged into my account. And if you just have a look over my wallet, you can see I have a total balance of $810, which we are gonna withdraw today. To proceed, let me click on the settings. After clicking on the settings, let me choose the option which is payment method. And inside the payment method, here is a list of options that you can choose from like RTM, Litecoin, PayPal, Paytm, and many more. In this video, we will be choosing Litecoin. So for that, what I'll be doing is let me click over here and then click on the Litecoin method. It is now asking us for a Litecoin address. In order to get a Litecoin deposit address, what I'll be doing is I have simply logged into my MEXC exchange. After that, let me click on the wallets, and inside the wallets, I'll be clicking on deposit. Here inside select crypto, I'll be choosing LTC, which is the Litecoin crypto, and the network that I'll be choosing today is LTC network. Let me now click on generate address. After that, let me simply copy this deposit address and then paste it over here. Please make sure that the address is correctly posted or else you will lose your funds forever. Once you do that, click on the update payment method. It will then ask you for your current password, complete the CAPTCHA, and then click on update. As you can see friends, I'll be receiving a verification link into my registered email. So here is the email that I have received from Timebucks. Let me click on the option which is click here. And that's it. My deposit address has been successfully updated. And if you just scroll to the end of the page, you can see the current server time as well as how much time is remaining until payments are sent. As you can see over here, I just have to wait for a duration of 24 hours more and I'll be receiving my payment into my MEXC wallet. So after waiting for a duration of 24 hours, if you just have a look at my payments tab, you can see the status of payment is sending. So in the next step, let me simply open my MEXC wallet and then click on the option which is estimated balance. And here if you have a look at recent transactions, you can see I have received a total of 10.3 LTC. To have a look at how much this is worth, let me go to the spot trading, and inside the asset list, you can see the LTC I have received is now worth over $811, which is worth more than what we were promised. Now guys, if you want, you can either withdraw it to any other exchange or you can simply click on the trade section and convert LTC to any other crypto of your choice.
So this was everything about my $800 Timebucks Payment Proof. If you are a new user to Timebucks, then I have added my referral link in the video description. So make sure you join it from there. And if you have any doubts or queries regarding anything that I have talked in this particular video, make sure to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.